You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words, and those are two names as well. In English, they are homophones, meaning that they are both pronounced exactly the same way, same pronunciation. Top word is pronounced as Jean. So you have a J sound and a long E sound, then an N. Jean. This is pants. Essentially, it's also a name, Jean, except in French it's pronounced Jean, but that's a different story. The bottom word is a name from science, from genetics, pronounced as gene as well. Yes, it's spelled with a G, but it's pronounced with a J. Gene. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.